Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this scrolling text effect in CapCut. So first you can just write the text that you want. I've already add mine like this, and you can use a blank background like this. And after that, just export this project. Then after this, click on done and start a new project with the new background that you want. So this is the background that I'm going to use, and then just go to overlay, add overlay, and then add the project that you just saved, the one with the text. Don't forget to adjust the size, and after that adjust the durations of the photos to match with the lyrics, the text. And after that, click on the overlay, go to splice and choose lighten. Okay, go with 100, and now the black background will be disappear. And to have the scrolling effect, you can just add a keyframe at the start and move the text to the bottom like this until it doesn't shine on the photo or the background. Then go to the end and just drag back the tag to the top, and another keyframe will be automatically created. Okay, so after that you can see the result. So the result will go like this. You can adjust the speed to how you like it. If you want to, you can use grabs to make the moving smoother like that, and you are done. So that's how you can create scrolling text effect in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.